morning to one and all. I am Madhuri of ECC and my topic on the presentation is India's culture and tradition. The culture of the living is the people living in India. The India's culture, tradition, food, clothing, etc. differ from place to place. India is the world's oldest civilization. Over the centuries, there has been a significant integration of the Hindus, Jains, Muslims with the other parts of the India. So the culture is divided into so many types. There are religions, language, clothing, cuisine, and greetings, etc. So let us discuss them one by one. Religion. India is the birthplace of the many religions such as Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, etc. According to the 2011 census, 80% of the people practice the Hinduism and 20% of the people, 14.2% of the people practice Islam and 2.3% people practice Christianity and many other. Many tribal religions such as Sarnaism is basically influenced by the higher religions. The greetings. Coming to the Indian greetings, the main article is Namaste. It is a form of a special greeting or salutation when the people meet each other, or it is a form of a farewell when the people depart each other. It has been derived from the Sanskrit word called Namaste. The Nama means I bow to you. Nama means to give respect. Te means to you. So literally it means I bow to you. In the Hinduism speaks that I bow the divine in you. So the festivals. India being a multicultural and multi-traditional country celebrates all of the festivals, and most of the festivals are being celebrated by Hindus. The certain festivals are celebrated by all of the religions. Example, Diwali, which is celebrated by Hindus as well as Jains. Languages. India is having many languages, in which Sanskrit is one of them. It is the basic language from which all other languages have been derived. So Sanskrit plays a crucial role in society. So, after all languages, we have many such as clothing, the cuisine, etc., which differs from place to place. So, as I conclude that we nowadays have been greatly influenced by the foreign culture, and we are reducing the Indian culture. So please try to uplift the Indian culture.